Hi, I'm Nick Bonner for TreeStuff.com, and I'm here at Edelrid World Headquarters with Lucas, Product Manager for the Work Safety Division. Lucas, we've got a set of bags here, and this is actually a system, which is really neat. So on the outside, we're looking at the Cask 55 liter, but first, let's look inside here. This is the Edelrid mini rope pouch, and this is a really nice bag. It's mesh bottomed, so if your rope is a little wet or damp, it's going to be allowed to aerate, obviously. There's a side zipper here that allows you to expand the bag so that as you're flaking a rope inside of here, you're able to do it a little easier, then smush it in, compress it, and then zip it up. About how many meters of rope do you think I could fit in here?
I would say around 20 meters, depending on the diameter, obviously. So for tree care ropes, probably a bit less. So I would say it's for your lanyard or accessory cords mostly.
So really nice bag that fits in the kind of bucket system and is able to keep everything nice and neat. I think you could also keep light hardware inside of here, a lanyard, grappling hook setup, a large variety of things. But if you're the kind of climber like me who likes to organize things, you can do so. Nice drawstring to close it up, but it's still going to allow you to pay the rope out of the top. We're going to go deeper. We've got essentially a set of Russian dolls here. This is the Cask 28 liter. And like all of these bags, this is PVC free. And we do PVC free. Why?
Because it's better for the environment and the human being.
It's better for the environment. PVC is a treatment that's used on a lot of different tarpaulins and materials that look like this. And it's just toxic, right? It should be called toxic VC. It's really bad for the environment. You should be very thankful that they don't make PVC bags where you live. But as we step away from that NIMBYism, not in my backyard, we want to make sure that bag suppliers are making things in a way that's good for the environment and not destroying the planet. And all of these bags meet that muster, as they say. Still, a very durable material. It's got nice light backpack straps. There is no padding on here. What are some of the other features of this bag that you like, Lucas?
Well, you've got a small pocket in front for whatever you like, your sandwich maybe even, and you can close it with this hook. So you put your rope in, then you hook it into the front, and then you can close it nice and tidy. You can even like fully close it with this part, and here you can lift the bag and even tie in a rope to pull your material up if you need a rope up in the tree or wherever you are working.
These reinforced handles aren't just reinforced to look cool. These bags actually, the Cask 55 and the Cask 28, both come with stated weight ratings from the manufacturer, and they're printed on the bag. You can see here on this one, this is a production version versus the early sample, but they have a 50 kg max load rating. So if you're hanging this bag from a crane or dragging it up with you, you can really be sure that you're not going to drop anything. Especially with new ANSI tool tethering requirements, it's really important that we're making sure that we have that we're using bags that are appropriate and able to hold the load. What besides size, if anything, is different between this one and the other one?
Well, this time the front pocket actually has another function because the Houston fits in there, or the throw line.
We've got a separate video on the Houston that you can definitely check out. It's a dual throw line management system, like two cubes that fold into one. Very cool.
And for this one, we have another layer of mesh to close it here. And then that's pretty much the whole difference. Other than that, it's bigger and fits around 100 meters of tree climbing rope.
This is definitely big enough to carry any amount of rope that you would need. I think you could even fit a climbing and a rigging line in here. Certainly a climbing line, a harness, a set of spurs even, and a helmet. And with this nice aluminum hook here, this is very simple. It's not one of the ones with like a locking tab. That's going to slide right in there, and then it will allow you to tension the bag and bring it nice and tight, which is really helpful when you're carrying it over any kind of distance. It brings the load closer to your back. Again, reinforced carry handles, a solid bottom on this one. Again, non-PVC. And in general, a very nice bright color, which makes it easy to see where your stuff is on the inside and can help you identify your bag from some of the more prevalent darker colors that everybody seems to be using nowadays. Really like these two Cask sets and the Edelrid mini rope pouch. Lucas, thanks for sharing this with us.
Of course.